what's your problem, man? Where were you to be found? You were stagnant when it was time to throw down. When you were needed, that's when you were running away, saving courage for a rainy day. Now the television implies that I too can succeed. I'll buy stock and ammunition, something we'll always need. And then I too can benefit from the deaths of our citizens. And that's what everybody's talking about. Yeah, that's the new American queer, who can't be fooled into thinking that he too can be a war profiteer. I read the paper today and I could not ignore 5 more sacrificed for Halliburton's war. And if that's the case, then you can count me out. Human life is worth a little more than that. You said you had enlisted, and that was hard to believe, but nothing wakes a sleeping soldier like a rich man's greed. I thought you were joking until I recognized the terror in your eyes. And that's what everybody's talking about. Yeah, that's the new American dream. To be the center of attention, to be the next movie of the week. Now your uniform is on and you're about to deploy. Your mom's got tears in her eyes for her baby boy. I said, let's go to Canada. You said, no, this was your duty. I felt embarrassed by your bravery. So I sent you off with these final words. Come back alive, you son of a bitch. I don't want to see you get hurt. And if shit goes down out there, just don't be afraid to save courage for a rainy day. And that's what nobody is talking about. Yeah, that's the American dream. To be dead before your children are, and to leave them without need. Yeah, that's what I'm screaming about. Isn't that the American dream? To be the center of attention. Yeah, I wanna be a movie of the week. Yeah, I wanna